And I'm Clark Garcia too. Welcome po sa ating... It's been a long time after po natin ulit mag-live dito sa ating pong Facebook. After po ng mga trials na dumating sa atin at medyo naging busy na rin po tayo these past days. And again po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And today is November 23, 2025. Sunday po ngayon and have a blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat. Kamusta po kayo? Saan man pong sulok ng Pilipinas po kayo naroroon? Luzon, Visayas, hanggang Mindanao. At sa mga kaibigan po nating OFW dyan, kamusta po kayo? Ingat po sa inyong journey, sa inyong pong mga trabaho. So it's Sunday today. So kakanta po tayo ng praise song from Don Moen. So let's start. Before that, Philippine Standard Time is 5:15 p.m. Don Moen. Marami pong salamat. Ang ina-off lang po natin yung ating mic dahil baka marinig po tayo dito sa buong sandali lang po dito sa buong lugar namin. Again po, it's 31 days to go before Christmas naman po tayo. So ito naman po yung ating kakantahin. Wow. Talaga pa. Ayan. So, wala tayong makita dito. Ito. 31 days to go before Christmas. So, Merry Christmas po in advance sa inyo. It's exactly 1 month bago po mag-Pasko. So, Christmas in our heart. Jose Maricha. Para po sa inyo lahat. Magandang hapon po. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the street, I remember the child in the manger Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of a Savior, Jesus Christ. There's love like a starlight on the first Christmas morn. Lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice. Come and sing the Christmas carol. In one big joyful voice, proclaim the name of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our heart. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. 31 days to go before Christmas. Patay lang po natin yung mic natin. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyo lahat. Ayan, medyo pasensya na, medyo inuubo-ubo pa rin tayo. Galing po tayo sa sakit. Ayan. Kamusta, Marlon? Welcome sa ating live. Ayan, see you tomorrow sa office. Ayan, medyo nag-ano-ano lang tayo. Naglilibang-libang lang tayo dito. And, ayan. Ano pa ba yung ano natin? Kakantahin natin after tayo mag-bye-bye. 5:22 p.m. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. Ano ba? Ito. Naglilibang-libang lang tayo. It's been a long time na hindi tayo nakapag-live. So, pagkatapos ng mga trials na yan, it's about time naman to stand na. And forget na yung mga, although nasa puso pa natin, and let us all enjoy our life. It's just for us. O sige, mamaya na itong ano natin. Just once. O sige, itatype natin. James Ingram. Sana hindi ako mapahiya sa'yo, ha? Okay. Requested by ng ating ka-office mate, si Marlon Abulok. Ayan, kamusta, see you tomorrow. Eto na, play ko agad. Magandang hapon ulit sa inyong lahat. Just Once by James Ingram. I know the best, but I guess romance wasn't good enough to see we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers. Wondering if we understand or head on at the door. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, I know we could break through it. I give my all, but I think my all might have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems to know it's blowing whenever we got going. And it seems at times we're all we got, we haven't got a way. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could be to it if we could just get to it just once. I want to understand what it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we give ourselves a hand and admit to one another we're no good without each other? Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Oh, make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could be to it if we could just get to it just once. Oh, we can get to it just once. Pagod ako Teka, di ko mabasa yung mga message mo. Labo ng mata ko. Teka. Ay, hello pinsan! Kamusta? Ayan, napagbigyan na kita ha. Makalamig ka naman dyan. Kamusta pinsan? Ang San Miguel, Bulacan. Teka lang, inom mo lang akong tubig. Lagod ako dun ha. Teka, ito pa isang disco naman tayo. Teka lang ha. Kamusta pinsan? Kamusta ang San Miguel? Ayan. Philippine Standard Time, it's 5:29 p.m. Nakaka-nervous pala, no? Pag matagal kang nawala sa live, tapos bigla kang babalik. Medyo nakakakaba. Okay, ito naman. Dionne Warwick. Nakakaba pala, no? Pag matagal ka nawala sa live, tapos bigla kang babalik. Medyo may nervous. Wow. Okay, Dionne Warwick. I'll never love this way again. Hope you like this. Good afternoon po ulit sa inyong lahat. You look inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else way again. Hold on. Thank you. Off natin yung mic. Nakakayan. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyong lahat. Last song po tayo bago po tayo mag-wrap up. Disco naman tayo, OPM. Ito. OPM naman tayo. Ano bang magandang kanta ng mga OPM dyan? OPM tayo. Ito. Sandali Wait a minute. BST and Company tayo. Okay. Last song po bago po tayo mag-wrap up at medyo pagod na rin ako. Kamusta uli po sa ating mga nakatutok sa ating pong Facebook Live. Last song po ito and magandang hapon po uli. BST and Company. Rock Baby Rock.
Sa bawat galaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay lalo nang naiibang. Come on and rock it tonight, ako ay sa'yong forever. Kaya't ipuso na, bakit tayo ay together. Rock baby rock. Rock baby, rock baby, rock baby, rock. Rock baby, rock baby, rock baby, rock. rock into my heart. Rock baby, say you never part. Rock baby, rock baby, rock baby, rock. Rock baby, rock baby, rock baby, rock.
Salamat po. Ayan. Portayaya. Nakatigil natin eh. Okay. Philippine Standard Time, it's sandali. Philippine Standard Time is 5:38. Again po, have a blessed Sunday po sa ating lahat. Magsimba po tayo. Magpasalamat po tayo sa Diyos sa lahat po ng biyayang ipinagkakalob niya sa atin sa araw-araw. Sa lahat ng blessing, sa pagising pa lang po natin sa umaga, blessing na po yun. Salamat po tayo dahil gumigising pa tayo, kumakain pa tayo, nakakapagtrabaho pa tayo, and iwas lamang po tayo sa mga negative na tao. Doon lamang po tayo sa yan, napapost na. Iwas po tayo sa mga kung ano-anong ano dyan. Ayun, alam na, ayoko na magsalita. Last song na tayo talaga. Ito, isang masayang sayawan bago tayo mag-bye-bye. Ito, totoo na po to. By the Carpenters. Top of the World. Last song na po to. After po nito, mag-bye-bye na po tayo. I-off ko na after ha. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye na po after the song.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming to, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love stood me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a blazing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world.
Excuse me po at ako'y uupo. Again po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. and bye-bye na po tayo. Have a blessed Sunday. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you on our next FB Live and God bless us all. Marami pong salamat. Bye-bye.